Chinese government officials have stated that a substantive agreement will be reached in the third round of talks with regard to the free trade agreement between China and Sri Lanka, which will be one of the main factors with regard to promoting bilateral business relations. These views were expressed at a meeting at the Chinese Ministry of Commerce in Beijing today, which was attended by Newsfirst's Katrina Chang.
The director of the Department of International Trade and Economic Affairs at the Chinese Commerce Ministry, Zhen Ziyang, noted that the FTA is of utmost importance to economic relations in South Asia at large and is an important platform to promote investment. Officials also went on to note that there remain factors which may influence the speedy implementation of the FTA, which are beyond their control. Chinese officials say this includes the change in government in Sri Lanka and the adjustment in some of the competent authorities within the Sri Lankan government. The Chinese Commerce Ministry also noted that they have been made aware of some political remarks made by certain Sri Lankan government representatives and noted that it had had an influence on certain projects. However, it added that China wishes to emphasize that all major cooperation projects with Chinese companies and Sri Lanka are based on win-win treatment and cooperation, and highlighted that all projects are run by businesses themselves. The Commerce Ministry added that cooperation between the two sides is not aimed to serve unilateral interests, but is based on equality and mutual benefit and targets Sri Lanka's long-term development and the people's well-being.